What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? So basically what affiliate marketing is basically a product or a vendor wants people to refer customers to the product or pretty much the business, right? So basically when customers click on the link of an affiliate, the vendor or company could track who is basically the customers are buying from. So for example, there's a customer, and let's say I'm an affiliate, and then there's the product, right? So the customer buys a product, and I'm an affiliate for that product, and then basically the product or vendor is going to send me a commission for being them. It's basically being a sponsor, right? They sponsor you to basically give them word of mouth. That way they can expose their products or brands, right? That's what basically pretty much film marketing is, right? Because when you help them, they give you commissions. That's what it basically is. It's not a scam. It's not a pyramid scheme, right? So many businesses use such as like Walmart, Amazon, eBay. You can name a lot of them. There's a whole bunch of things. You want to find more affiliate business? Just go to your have like iTunes affiliate program. Oops, spelled it wrong. Right. And you can look at their partnerships for their affiliate programs and stuff like that. Yeah, but just to let you know, it's real. It's not a scam. It's not pyramid scheme, right? So let's go into a real example how most affiliate marketing is working today on the website and YouTube and stuff, right? Or even TikTok, whatever. Basically, let's go to Amazon. Let's say you want to look for a dash cam. You want to buy a dash cam because you want to buy one or it's a need, right? But before you buy one, what do we do first? We go to YouTube, right? And these people make dash cam videos already and dash cam reviews. And we also have one good dash cams. And since these videos and these websites are making all these type of reviews already, they've actually used a product. They've actually understand the fits and needs for the people that can afford it or actually want to buy it for their needs. And since they are already out, they basically do the homework for us already, right? So they take their time to give us a shortcut to see if the product's a good need. Otherwise, you have to buy blindly and use it and see if you actually like it or not. But that's why there's videos and blogs out there for us to read and buy from because these are all fill links. There's a lot of fill links on these types of websites and YouTube videos. And when you click on them, Amazon's going to pay the affiliate the commission. And that's what affiliate marketing pretty much is in a box. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below or feel free to message me. I'm always reading and respond to every questions that people sends out to me. And best luck and don't forget to like, subscribe.